Well, we got a lot going on at Florida Firearms Academy, and you can go to ffatampa.com to check it out, or give us a call at 813-221-FIRE. We have our July Black Friday sale going to go on. You'll see more information coming up on that on Facebook or our webpage, and that's going to be a huge sale. And then also a free suppressor party that's going to be with free lunch. That's going to be 7:31 on 9 to 3 o'clock. So what that is, you have to register that. There's going to be free range fees, free targets, free firearms. You're going to get to try that's suppressed firearms. If you don't know what a suppressed firearms, that's a silencer. And yes, you can own a silencer. We sell them all the time. It's a PS90, super awesome with the suppressor, an SP5, Glock. There's going to be many different guns you can try with suppressors free of charge. There will be a small fee for ammo charges, and especially small, like $15 for just FFA members, $25 for non-members. And then also one of the big things we have coming up is we have it going on right now, and it's going to go on to the end of the month, and that's with our Quanah kids. We have 400 kids that we're trying to get to the zoo day. These are special needs kids. We have a couple rifles, $2,000 rifles, shotguns, all kinds of cool prizes. All you got to do is come into our store, buy a ticket for $5, and help these kids have their pizza day and zoo day at the Lowry Park Zoo.
Wow. By the way, thanks for doing that, man.